Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step process for changing the name of your LLC. Whether you're rebranding, merging, or just want a fresh new name for your business, I'll walk you through the 8 steps to make the name change official. And if you'd rather have someone else handle this complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing how you can get this done for only $39 with Northwest Registered Agent. So now let's proceed to the steps. So step 1, choose a new name for your LLC. Before anything else, you need to decide on a new name for your LLC. If you are unsure, just jot down a few ideas to explore later. Be creative, but keep it relevant to your business. And then step number 2 would be to check name availability. You'll need to make sure your new name is available in the state where your LLC is registered. Head to your state Secretary of State website and perform a name search to avoid any conflicts with existing businesses. You want to ensure that the name is completely unique. So for example, if you're in Florida, you can just go into this website, which is soundbiz.org, and then you can just do this. But if you're in other places, then it would be a different website. Step number 3 would be to get member approval. If you have partners or co-members in your LLC, make sure to get their approval for the name change. It's important that everyone involved in the LLC is on the same page before moving forward. And now step number 4, file an amendment with your state. This step is crucial. You'll need to file what's called articles of amendment with the state where your LLC was formed to notify them about the change. There is usually a fee for this, which varies by state. And now step number 5 would be to wait for state approval. After submitting the amendment, you'll need to wait for the state's approval. Processing times can vary, so be patient. Once you're approved, your new LLC name is official. And now step number 6, update your operating agreement. If you have an operating agreement, make sure to update it with the new LLC name. This keeps your internal records consistent and accurate. And now step number 7, notify the IRS and local agencies. You'll also need to let the IRS and any state or local agencies know about the name change. For the IRS, you can typically notify them by using the new name on your tax return and checking the name change box. And finally, step number 8, notify your banks, credit card companies, and payment processors of your new LLC name. Don't forget to update your website, social media, logo, and other branding materials with a new name to ensure consistency. And that's it. Remember, if you'd like to make the process easier, Northwest Registered Agent can handle it for you for just $39. Check out the link in the description to get started and save yourself a hassle. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.